And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, here we are setting the stage for an upcoming potential winter snowstorm. Yeah, we have temperatures that are running in the 30s. We also have dew points that are running in the teens. And when you have dew points in the teens, it means we're going to take some time before we can moisten things up right down to the ground level. We do have a winter storm warning that has been issued for the area shaded in pink. That goes into effect at 7 p.m. through tomorrow at 7 p.m. And the area in purple, basically the East Bay out toward the Cape, we have the winter weather advisory in effect. That starts tonight at 9 p.m. again through 7 p.m. So here are our concerns. We do have the winter storm warning, and that is tonight through Tuesday night. So that's our timing. The heaviest of snow is expected tonight of 3 to 5 inches of overnight snow, plus an additional 1 to 2 inches through the day on Tuesday. Now, the Tuesday morning commute is the time that we are most concerned about. But once we get into Tuesday afternoon, we are looking to mix in some rain, and that's why Tuesday totals are expected to be so much less. So here's where we are now, and there isn't anything to show you, and I guess that's really the whole point, because the storm is not here, it's out here. So what we're watching for is as this storm system that currently is working its way through the Great Lakes, as it starts to tap into the Atlantic, it will start to transfer its energy to a developing coastal area of low pressure. That then will become our main storm. So between here and there, we're sort of watching that development process happen. So that's why it's going to onset as some pretty light stuff around 10 p.m. and then pick up in intensity once we get to midnight, because that will be the development of that coastal storm. So it'll sort of ramp up at that time. Here's how our timeline's looking so far. Again, beginning as some light snow around 10 p.m., starting in the southwest corner of Rhode Island in the westerly area, and then lifting toward the northeast. As that storm system gets going, it will likely start to bring in some bands of locally heavier snow, and that will continue as we go through the morning. You'll notice this mixing layer pops up Tuesday around 2 p.m. Yeah, along the south coast, we're looking at a lot less in terms of snowfall because we're going to be doing so much time as mixing or even changing right on over to rain. And it also indicates that the snow quality will then be compacted and be kind of wet and soggy too. So please, you may want to put into place a plan for snow removal, because heavy, wet cement snow is not stuff that just anyone can move safely. So please keep that in mind. By the time we get to Tuesday, 9 p.m., the last will be left to clear the Cape. And here's how much we're looking at. Generally, 6 to 8 is the area shaded in pink. We're going to do basically all snow from start to finish. Where we have the chance of doing mixing, and yes, that does include the city of Providence and areas that border the bay, we will be seeing less in terms of totals as you go towards New Bedford, out toward Plymouth County, 2 to 4, and then the Cape picking up 1 to 2. So in terms of wind, are we looking at a blizzard? No. These are our maximum winds, about 25 miles per hour. And in order to have a blizzard, you'd really need winds that are minimum 35 mile per hour gusts over a 3-hour time frame. So it's really just a snow event rather than a blizzard type event. So snow developing late, overnight accumulations, generally 3 to 5 across the region. Temperatures will be near 27. For tomorrow, snow to mix afternoon as temperatures rise to near 38 for the high. Winds will be moving in from the east with occasional gusts near 20 miles per hour. Yeah, you may notice that this week is looking pretty interesting, because once we get by tomorrow morning, Thursday into Friday, we have the potential of seeing another event, and that one, Friday night, has the potential of being another possibly significant event, I know, and then Saturday, we're going to be bringing some snow showers too, with a gusty breeze. Temperatures curiously go up to 51 for your high by the time we get to Thursday rather. So it's just a very weird week here in southern New England, something we'd expect to see more like 3 weeks from now, rather than still in the month of February. Tiffany?